In this video, we're going to analyze the Michi P5 preamplifier. We'll explore its features, evaluate listening tests, and see which power amplifiers yield the best results with this equipment. If you're an audio enthusiast looking to start or upgrade your system, you must watch this video. Before we begin, we kindly ask you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. This action is free for you and provides us with great support to continue making these videos. Thank you for your collaboration. The Michi P5 is large, measuring 19 inches by 6 inches by 17.75 inches in depth and weighing 50.5 pounds. It includes a moving coil/moving magnet phono stage, dual AKM DAC chips capable of 32-bit/768 kHz with MQA support, Bluetooth compatible with aptX and AAC, a headphone output, balanced and unbalanced inputs and outputs, and fully balanced circuitry. The design of the P5 is minimalist, featuring curved corners, an elegant anodized aluminum chassis, and a glass front panel housing two symmetrical knobs. The left and right dials control input selection and volume adjustment respectively. These functions, along with others, can also be managed via remote control. A small power on/off button is centered near the bottom edge of the P5, with its indicator illuminating in white during operation and red in standby mode. The P5's chassis, including the top and bottom plates, is constructed from 4 mm to 4.5 mm thick anodized aluminum. Tempered glass covers the front of the unit, except for the rounded corners, including the 2.5 x 4.25 display screen. Slim cooling fins run along the sides of the P5's chassis. Custom-designed solid aluminum feet support the P5. The pads are made of a vibration-damping material tested and evaluated to provide an excellent balance of rigidity and flexibility required for a preamplifier. The P5 includes a built-in DAC and phono stage. It also features bass and treble controls similar to those found in car audio systems, accessible via the left knob. Analog source options include CD, phono, tuner, AUX1 and 2, and XLR1 and 2. Digital input options include coaxial, RCA, and optical, TOS link, S/PDIF, 3 of each, Ethernet, USB, and Bluetooth. All inputs are renameable. Each input and output has corresponding connections on the rear panel, along with a USB power source for external devices, a 3.5 mm port for standard IR remote receiver, a Bluetooth antenna, two 12V trigger connections, and an RS-232 port for home automation system integration. On the rear panel, there are 4 main outputs, 2 pairs each of balanced, XLR, and unbalanced, RCA, outputs, a mono subwoofer output, and an unbalanced line-level output, RCA, that bypasses the P5's volume control. The moving magnet phono stage of the P5 amplifies the incoming signal by 52 dB for mm and 70 dB for MC, with an input sensitivity of 2.5 mV for mm and 250 V for MC. MM stages reach overload at 199 mV and MC at 22 mV. The P5's headphone amplifier uses an independent plus and 15V DC power supply to ensure ample dynamic range and circuit separation from all other analog and digital circuits. Dedicated voltage regulators exclusively power the headphone amplifier. From the outset, the P5 sounded impressive, delivering powerful tones and fast, realistic dynamics. One notable feature from the start that persisted throughout the testing was the P5's excellent spatial representation. Through the P5, each instrument was rendered as a clear, distinct, and substantial line with solid tone and precise, stable placement within the soundstage. Album after album, regardless of genre or format, every musical line was clear, illuminated, and precisely located. The P5 recreated a spacious stage populated by solid images. The P5 also created a deep soundstage with excellent depth and width. The slightly thin highs did not perfectly serve its vocals, but there was enough body to balance the sound. Overall, MQA files played through the P5 exhibited superior resolution, clarity, weight, intimacy, saturated tones, and an seemingly infinite noise floor, though they also sounded somewhat processed and otherworldly. To complement the P5, it's ideal to consider power amplifiers that enhance its capabilities and performance. Here are the power amplifiers that gave us the best results. Rotel Michi S5, stereo amplifier designed to be the perfect companion to the P5. It offers 500 W per channel at 8 ohms and 800 W per channel at 4 ohms, ensuring powerful and precise performance with a Class AB design. Rotel Michi M8, monoblock version also part of the Michi series, providing 1080 W at 8 ohms and 1800 W at 4 ohms, ideal for large rooms and those with advanced acoustic treatment. Pass Labs X250.8, Class A/B power amplifier offering 250W per channel at 8 ohms. It stands out for its transparency, warm and detailed sound, and excellent dynamics. Macintosh MC312, stereo amplifier delivering 300W per channel at 8 ohms, known for its exceptional sound clarity and robustness. Class Delta stereo, 250W per channel at 8 ohms, Class A/B design offering natural and detailed sound with excellent channel separation and tonal balance. These were the power amplifiers that provided us with the best results. We recommend conducting auditions and listening tests whenever possible before making a decision. Remember that sound appreciation varies greatly and should be carefully considered. In summary, when a preamplifier includes all possible options, one expects that the basics are not compromised. The Michi P5 performed well in all aspects, or at least in all aspects tested, providing a delightful listening experience. Combined with the appropriate power amplifier, the P5 creates a deep soundstage with excellent spatial qualities, clarity, and satisfying dynamics that will leave you wanting to hear more. Choosing a preamplifier is a significant decision that should reflect your sound preferences and practical values. If you're looking for a feature-rich preamplifier in this price range, the Michi P5 deserves investigation.